Assalamu alaikum, hello and namaste. Welcome to another inspiring episode, number 121 of the Limelight. I'm your host Fareen here. I'm a voice coach, podcasting coach, author in a making. I'm writing a book on a very interesting topic and it will be published soon. This is the Get Your Flow Back series, and today we are discussing about the final step 10, which is the happy self. Why is this step important? To do anything for yourself or to do anything for others, it's very important that you are happy, because if you are not happy, you cannot make others happy. Because if you are gloomy, sad, the same as I had discussed about vibration, the vibe in the previous step, that same vibe you are going to transfer to the other person, and someone who cares can feel that you are not happy. They will feel the same, they will feel low and sad. So it's very important that you keep yourself happy first. Take care of yourself. I know, like in our societies, especially for ladies, we give first priority to our family and then comes us. So let's not ignore ourselves. Every day, if you can have a 15 or 20 minutes of me time to rejuvenate, to have yourself back and energized and feel happy, that can make a lot of difference to yourself and the people around you, because the happiness you're going to radiate can change the mood and also the life of someone who has come to you for an advice or an help, right? So it's very important you see that you take care of yourself and keep a day in a week like Saturday or Sunday to just pamper yourself. Okay, and this pampering is not only for us women but also for men, because men also, they, throughout the week, they work and they are stressed and they should also have their me time. So for the me time, what you can do is, for ladies, you can have a nice bath at home, or have a nice facial done to yourself, and have a skincare routine. I mean, skincare routine is done almost every day for some, but few of us forget that we need to look pretty also. So have that one day in a week where you, at least for an hour or two, dedicate yourself and have that me time. Watch a nice movie, have make a meal for yourself, or if you're lazy, just order something for yourself. So it's nothing wrong to be selfish in terms of being keeping yourself happy. So it's very important, the final step, keep yourself happy and have that happy state of mind. So that was my take on final step 10, and I hope you enjoyed listening to Get Your Flow Back series. If you want more of such kind of podcast, do let me know. And this podcast will be available on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and all the podcasting platforms. And also do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.